Here's how you can start dropshipping on Amazon in less than 2 minutes.
Okay.
Step 1 is to go to gearbubble.com and sign up for an account. Gearbubble is a print-on-demand platform that allows you to sell customized coffee mugs, jewelry, t-shirts, and more on Amazon without you having to hold any inventory yourself. After you've logged into your account, it will lead you to your dashboard where you can select the Launch Campaign button, which will lead you to this page where you can select the product you want to sell. Since it's getting close to the holidays, we'll be doing a coffee mug for dads.
Okay.
Then you want to select the Next Step button and upload the design you created to your new coffee mug. For this one, we just did a simple text design that says, "My favorite child gave me this mug." Remember, designs don't need to be fancy to make sales on Amazon. Just make sure that they're simple, clean, and fits an occasion, profession, or a particular holiday. After that, you just want to select the Next Step button, which will lead you to the page where you can add your product title, set your selling price, accept Gearbubble's terms of service, and launch your campaign.
Okay.
After your campaign has been launched, all we need to do is go back to the dashboard, scroll over to the right and select the View Dropship Dashboard button, which will lead you to your dropshipping dashboard where you want to select the Stores button and find the platform you want to add your product to. Once you locate it, you want to select New Product and find the mug we just created, which is right here at the top. Then you're going to select the Upload button, and just like that, your product has been added to the marketplace of your choice and can start making money like this exact design, bringing in over $5,300 a month in sales. And whenever you get an order on Amazon, Gearbubble will immediately charge the credit card you have on file, print your mug, and send it directly to your customer.
Okay.
This is called Amazon FBA. Follow me to learn the way.